this is how we jive mass communication. Yeah, I'm again with another fixing. This fix I have done already one time, but I get some new information to how to fix this properly. This is Samsung Galaxy Buds. This is Buds 2.0, could be Buds 1.0 or original, any version if you have. And if you have this problem, that means one Buds is working, another not. So how to fix that properly? Let's see, I go to my phone. Okay, I unlock my phone, you can see here properly. Now I will go to Galaxy Buds apps, Galaxy wearable, and I will open my buds. Let's see what is happening. Put here my phone, buds is on. Try to connect. As you see the problem, one of my buds is working, another not. So one buds is working, another not. These buds is not working. I'm not gonna uninstall any application in the phone because those normally don't work. So I go for the real fix and explain you what is the problem. So next time if you have this problem, you can fix by yourself. You see here the lights are green. That means the buds are full of the charge. Take one of the buds out, for example this one. These buds has problem, another one is here. This, when I put charge, this is green, this is full charge. There could be two things. One is full charge, it could stay green, or when it's not working, it could stay green. This one I close, for example. So this one, the buds, which one is working? Okay, connecting, you see my phone, there we go. This I take off and I put this one at the middle. See, the color is red. That means it's charging probably, but it still is not working. Normally when you move, you have to try to move this couple of times and see what color it puts. Now you see it's become green. I move this one, it should remain red. Red means it's charging. The problem with this one, this doesn't charge, so you have to try to charge this one. You see it's become green again. I move again, move again. You have to leave it as a red color. See, green, not charging. One more thing you can do to pair up them together. Sometimes you disconnect one pair to another. I hold one of the buds. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till it should blink the light. You see the green light is flashing. So these two buds is pairing. Awesome view. You see at my phone also the other buds appear. So I do with you guys. You see here the other buds start to charge is 1%. You see this is pairing, is one to another. They're working as a separate buds. So this is the fix. Now red light is blinking. This is the fix, guys. This I want to share with you. See, one person is charging. Now I'll close this one. Disappear. Let me open. And you see one person is charging. Here is the red light. So this you have to do. You have to try again and again and again. I have been trying for 1 hour to show you guys exactly the fix. This is 1%. To close this one, and you have to come few minutes later. Yeah, I'm again after 20 minutes more or less. Let's go open my gear app. Here we go. You see my app. Open this one. Let's see. So it's getting the charge. Lovely, isn't it? It's alive again, 17% of charge after 20 minutes almost. So you have to leave this one at least 4 to 5 hours to charge properly. Maybe 2 hours is enough, but leave more time so it's charged properly. So the problem is that this one didn't charge properly. It should charge properly, and when it's charging the light is red. When you see green light and one is disappear, that means one is not charging. Could be left or right, anyone. So this is the final fix, guys. Deleting application, wipe things from your phone, not gonna work. The problem is here, the charging problem. So I hope you guys understand and you can fix the problem finally. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.